LOCKABLE CARABINER. The stainless steel gate features a slide lock, keeping your keys and valuables securely in place. High-quality aluminum, solid, lightweight aluminum construction and a stainless steel gate with plastic slide lock makes these carabiners ultra-strong. Individually weight-rated. Size number 2 to 10 pounds, size number 3 to 25 pounds, size number 4 to 75 pounds. Keep keys secure. Upgrade your beat-up, bulky old carabiner keychain for a slimline, locking Nite Ize Carabiner. Low-profile design. These slimline carabiners slide easily into a pocket or lay flat on a pack. Warning: not for use where disengagement could result in bodily injury or property damage. Not for climbing. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. I am someone who loses my keys often because my carabiner becomes loose and the keys fall off. I really needed one that locked to prevent that from happening, and this was an answer to my needs. Works perfectly. Thank you.